Hey guys, Eric at Redline Injectors again. Let me quickly show you these guys right here. On the E-TEC injectors, you need to pull the pintle. So we created a tool to do that. I'll show you in a second. And we created this as well, which is used to compress the pintle tip for ultrasonic cleaning. So let me quickly also show you how we created these. Okay, E-TEC Pintle puller and press. So we'll take a look at the puller. It's machined out of 6061. Inside is polished, chamfer on the outside. This is an exact fit for the pintle. It fits inside the machinist's vise. The E-TEC injector fits right there. The pintle fits exactly in there. Little tighten. Twist and pull. The pintle comes right out. There's the filter. Now that the pintle's out, it needs to be cleaned. But in order to be cleaned, this has to be compressed ever so slightly. That's where this device comes in. So we created these as well. These are actually done with MJF 3D printing. This is glass-filled nylon 12. So let's take a quick look at that. This fits in here. It gets compressed and it sits in the ultrasonic cleaner.